A U.S. Navy warship operating in the Middle East intercepted multiple projectiles near the coast of Yemen on Thursday, two U.S. officials told CNN. One of the officials said the missiles were fired by Iranian-backed Houthi militants, who are engaged in an ongoing conflict in Yemen. Approximately 2 to 3 missiles were intercepted, according to the second official. The official said it was unclear what the missiles were targeting. It's possible the missiles were fired at the USS Carney or launched towards another target,